God says, ask for what you want instead of giving up. Find your own way to solve your problems. You try. I am with those who try. I make way for them. If you ask for an opportunity for yourself, you will get an opportunity very soon for your progress. The drought that is lying in your life will end. My blessings are about to shower. You are about to get a new opportunity. There is going to be rain of happiness. Now new remedies. You are going to get the most beneficial officers because the prayers done with a true heart never fails. It is definitely heard. Thank you for watching, my child. All the best.